The video you're about to see is the account of a group of horror fanatics. For them, a classic slasher is inspiration. Had they made only one anniversary video, you may have wished to see more, which is what happened. So here you are, watching the 50th anniversary of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Paul A. Partain was a method actor, and Gunnar Hansen said he'd kill him for real. The two became best friends a few years after. It just seemed... wrong franchise. There we go. It just seemed fitting talking about the sequels and remakes. This 2003 remake is one of the best. The prequel, although it's got some good gore, was unnecessary. They could have just had Leatherface with a fake hand. It would have been interesting. But yes, just a little sequel, remake, and prequel plug. The rest suck.